Are you looking for a natural multi-surface cleaning spray? Well, you've come to the right place. I'm Jessica, and I'm going to show you how to make a simple natural cleaning spray using essential oils. Stick around to the end and I'll show you how to download my free green cleaning guide, which will include more DIY cleaning recipes. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell to be notified every time I upload a new video. These recipes are so simple and safe to use in your home, they're going to change the way that you clean. I've been making homemade cleaning products for over 5 years. As a mom of 5 kids, I know how important it is to teach my kids to clean the house. Because this multi-purpose surface cleaner is made with natural ingredients, it's safe for my kids to use as they learn to clean. For this recipe, you just need a few simple ingredients: vinegar, water, and your favorite essential oils, and a glass spray bottle. We use glass because essential oils store best in a glass container. The essential oils that I suggest using for this recipe are lavender, lemon, eucalyptus, peppermint, or wild orange, or pretty much any combination of those oils. Or your favorite oils will work just as well. If you have some favorite oils that you clean with, I'd love to know what they are. Just leave a comment below telling me what your favorite oil is to put in your cleaning products. Now that you're ready, let's make the spray. You just simply grab your spray bottle. So this one I believe is 16 ounces. And you're just going to put 1 cup of water in the bottle. Perfect. And then you're going to add 1 cup of vinegar. 1 cup of vinegar, which I already added. And then we're just simply going to pour that into the bottle. Okay. And if vinegar is not your jam, you just don't like the smell of it for whatever reason, doTERRA makes a wonderful On Guard concentrate cleaning product, which is great as a multi-purpose surface cleaner. Okay, so now we have our vinegar and our water. We're just simply going to add our essential oils. So because I'm choosing 3, so I suggest you do about 30 drops in this multi-purpose cleaner. So I'm going to do 10 drops of each of these. There we go. There's peppermint, eucalyptus. Some of them come out a little faster than others. Okay, and then you're just going to want to make sure to give this a nice shake. So add your spray top, shake it up. Make sure you've got that spray top on. And you are ready to clean your surfaces. Do you want more homemade cleaning solutions? Be sure to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell so you'll be notified each time I add a new video. As promised, I'm going to show you how you can download my free green cleaning recipe guide. There's a link below titled Green Cleaning Recipe Guide. Just be sure to click on that. It'll direct you to the place where you can get the guide. If you want more information about essential oils, there's a link below to join my Facebook group. I also teach essential oil classes every Wednesday evening. You're welcome to join me anytime. Just click on the link below to register for my class. Thanks so much for watching. We'll catch you later.